Jamaica experienced a category 5 hurricane, and this is just how it looked in some areas before the hurricane damaged Jamaica. I'm just sharing this video as a throwback or as a reminder that our country is so beautiful. It's luscious, it's green, it's authentic, it's amazing, and we're gonna rise, we're gonna get better, we're gonna grow, we're gonna build stronger than never before, and our latter is gonna be greater. So enjoy the beauty of my beautiful country, Jamaica. One love. God bless you all. Bye.